this, which goes inside, and you put glue on the larger side. One side is like 3 inches and the other side's like 2. So you just take this and you line it up with the front edge, and the bottom and top just should fit on there perfectly. Of course, you want to decorate with your layering pieces before you insert this mechanism, but I'm gonna skip that part. You can do the decorating. It's important just to know how to put this piece that you have now folded so that when you fold it up, it's like this. So, fold it, mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold, and then you just kind of push all those together. And I do suggest that you use a lighter cardstock for this so that it doesn't make your card quite so thick. I used heavy in that, and you can see that it kind of gets a little thick. So then first we're going to glue the back of this piece of the mechanism. And we're going to center it in the card and just slide it up against this front card, put it here, and mine may be cut just a little bit off on this, so we'll just do that. Okay, so then you're going to lay it out flat, and you're going to put glue on this part. I got a little bit of glue that dried up on there. Get that off. This makes a great card for almost any occasion. Then just lay it out flat, tuck this under. Now we're going to let that set just a second. And actually it's easier to put these on right now because the last time when I did it, I put them on afterwards. So let's put some glue on here, on this triangle. And some glue on this triangle. I have to look at my card. Okay, goes like this. Sorry. Okay, put it right up against the fold and then match it right here. And then this one will go down here. Same way. And then once you've done that, glue this. And fold this flap over. And then when you close it, you have a working card. Here you go. Makes a very pretty card. Good luck. Happy cutting. Thanks for watching.